India registered 62,064 new cases of coronavirus disease COVID-19 and 1,007 deaths in the last 24 hours, pushing the tally to 22,15,075 according to the Union Health Ministry. There are 6,34,945 active cases and 44,386 people have died of the viral disease so far, the Health Ministry's dashboard showed this morning. The country's recovery rate touched 69.33%. India, the third worst hit nation, has crossed the United States in terms of the number of daily infections. Coronavirus infections in Manipur mounted to 3,753 as of today. Altogether, 90 people, 63 males and 27 females from the general population and 28 personnel of Central Armed Police Force (CAPF) were tested COVID-19 positive at VRDLS of RIMS, Jenims, Babina Diagnostics, District Hospital, Jiribam, District Hospital Ukhrul, Raj Medicity, TrueNet, and District Hospital Thoubal during the last 24 hours. So far, Manipur has reported 11 COVID-19 related deaths. The number of active cases stands at 1,698, while a total of 2,044 patients have been cured of the COVID-19 in the state till now. Reshma, a 20-year-old pregnant woman, wife of Abbas Khan of Lilong under Thoubal district, was admitted to RIMS emergency ward for delivery last evening. Initially, Reshma tested negative for COVID-19 but later found to be positive at RIMS. The COVID-19 patient successfully delivered a baby girl at the hospital. The baby, weighing around 3.25 kg, was born around 2:20 am. Both the baby and mother are being shifted to COVID ward according to RIMS officials. In a joint operation, the Customs and Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) seized 191 kg of heroin worth rupees 1,000 crore from Nhava Sheva port of Navi Mumbai on the night of August 8. According to media reports, the drug was smuggled from Afghanistan via Iran. 2 people have been arrested in the case. The drugs were being transported inside pipes and were brought through Afghanistan. A court has sent the 2 accused to 14 days police custody. A team of Lilong police arrested a drug peddler along with 6.3 gram of heroin from Lilong Nungai Mamang Masjid on the evening of August 8, according to a delayed report. The arrested has been identified as Muhammad Nazir Khan, aged 26, son of Muhammad Ibrahim of Lilong Nungai Chang. A case has been registered at Lilong police station over the incident. Hepleng subdivision of Churachandpur district is lagging behind the rest of Manipur in terms of development and road connectivity. Among the 6 assembly constituencies in Churachandpur, HENGLEP subdivision has remained deprived of various development and welfare schemes sponsored by the government. The subdivision also does not have good medical facilities. The Lone Primary Health Center (PHC) has remained in a defunct state since it has failed to provide the much-needed health service to the public. Transporters on IMPHAL-Dimapur Road and IMPHAL-Jiribam Road have threatened to stop transportation service if the state government fails to look into their demands pertaining to the global COVID-19 pandemic. The truck drivers are unhappy they are not allowed to return home due to fear of COVID. They demanded the government to set up a special testing center for them at ISBT or at convenient place. 2 persons were killed and 3 seriously injured when a major fire broke out at 80 Road near Toklai Bridge area of Jorhat last night. According to media reports, 13 fire tenders from Jorhat and neighboring Sibsagar and Golaghat districts were pressed into service to douse the inferno. The blaze, which began at about 11:30 pm, was extinguished at about 4 am. Fire brigade personnel are yet to ascertain the cause of the fire, which gutted 2 buildings, one 2-story and other 3 stories. Arunachal Pradesh recorded 38 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, out of which 23 are Central Paramilitary Forces personnel and 5 are asymptomatic. According to media reports, East Kameng district registered 11 new cases, out of which 9 are from the CPMF and 2 are truck drivers. On the other hand, a total of 52 patients were discharged from hospitals across the state yesterday, including 25 in East Siang, 17 in the ICR, 6 in West Siang and 4 in Namsai.